Hook midnight to 0:15. 1 in 5 companies will be hacked by AI-powered attacks in 2026. That's scary. AI security concerns are rising. Let's dive in. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. OpenAI's existential questions are trending. AI is advancing fast. We need to stay ahead. These 5 AI tools will help. They're game changers. Let's explore them. Chat 1 to 2:30. ChatGPT answers questions in seconds. It's crazy fast. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 2 hours, ChatGPT does it in 2 minutes. It's free. Entrepreneurs love it. It saves time. ChatGPT is a must-try. It's changing the game. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper generates content in minutes. It's a content creator. Imagine you